MrBeast's incredible impact in Africa. Here is why MrBeast keeps trending on social media. The whole trend started from a TikTok video of a lady seeking help. In the vast and diverse continent of Africa, amidst challenges and hardships, a beacon of hope has emerged. MrBeast, a renowned YouTuber and philanthropist, has embarked on an incredible journey to transform lives and bring joy to communities across Africa. With his signature blend of generosity and creativity, MrBeast and his team have initiated a series of projects that are making a profound impact on the lives of countless Africans. The first project is planting 20 million trees. One of MrBeast's most ambitious projects involves planting 20 million trees across Africa. This initiative aims to combat desertification, restore ecosystems, and improve air quality. The trees will also provide a source of income for communities through the sale of fruits and nuts. Beneficiaries, local communities will benefit from the improved environment and economic opportunities. Future generations will inherit a healthier and more sustainable planet. The second project is providing clean water. Access to clean water is a fundamental human right, yet many Africans lack this essential resource. MrBeast has partnered with organizations to provide clean water wells and filtration systems to communities in need. This has significantly improved the health and well-being of countless individuals. Beneficiaries. Children will have a reduced risk of waterborne diseases and can attend school more regularly. Families will save time and energy that was previously spent collecting water. Communities will experience improved health outcomes and economic development. The third project is building schools and educational centers. Education is the key to breaking the cycle of poverty and empowering communities. MrBeast has funded the construction of schools and educational centers in Africa, providing children and adults with access to quality education. This investment in knowledge will have a lasting impact on the lives of individuals and communities. Beneficiaries. Children will gain literacy, numeracy, and life skills, setting them on a path to success. Adults will have opportunities for vocational training and skills development, improving their livelihoods. Communities will experience social and economic progress as education levels rise. I will come up with more update in my next video. Subscribe.